Look at Walmart air compressors. Pretty nice. 3-gallon, 54.88. That's 4-gallon, 159. Got a big bad one on sale right here. 8-gallon, 120, man. That's an 8-gallon, man. That's one like I got. That's a nice one, 129. Yeah, some nice air compressors. I might get this little 1-gallon. Glow in the dark. Flavor is good. The hair right there. 29 bucks. A little 1-gallon, 50 bucks. Might well go with this one. 3-gallon. I had this one before. Worked pretty good. Took a long time to pump up though. Pretty nice though. Pretty nice. Look at the impact guns. Some nice air tools. Caught me one of these paint guns. Paint some more cars. It's nice. $95 for a set right there. CH. It's nice right there. Camera house field. 74.97. That's a nice impact gun.
Bruce Tony, line 2. Bruce Tony, line 2.
It's a basic impact right there. I got one like that. That's a little bit higher end. It's a 3/8. It's an air hammer. It's a nice paint gun right there for 30 bucks. It's supposed to be a gravity fed paint gun. Yeah, that's a nice one right there for 30 bucks. I wonder if they sell the Alice spreads in here.